power of co-creation and shared values is transforming lives across India, proving that when corporate strengths align with community resilience, the impact is extraordinary. Today we look at powerful collaborations that are bringing change in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. These are stories of women who are turning skills into economic strength and community leadership, and the companies that support them. In villages across India, there was an accepted and deeply entrenched way of thinking. The man earns, the woman stays home. One income fed the family and paid the bills. Women were told their place was inside the house. Stepping out to work was not even an option. Growth and empowerment were not for women. But that way of thinking changed in the village.
The reason Tata Power has collaborated with Usha is because of their key expertise in Silai and related skills, and we have been working with them from last couple of years.
Through strong implementation, deep community engagement and a proven model of women-led entrepreneurship, Usha International Limited provides a responsible and reliable platform for companies to contribute meaningfully to social and economic empowerment. The collaboration with Tata Power that empowers women through comprehensive skill development in sewing and stitching goes beyond technical training. Women are equipped with life skills, soft skills, financial and digital literacy, and handling support to manage emotional stress and psychological barriers, enabling them to navigate life and business challenges and emerge as resilient entrepreneurs capable of building truly sustainable livelihoods.
We are teaching these women, we are also giving them the sewing machine so that they can go back to their villages, they can train more women through that and also earn money in their own way, and also training others to earn more money. So it is replicating. If one woman is going back to the village, she is further educating 5 more, then 5 more are educating another 10 more. So that's a kind of a ripple effect we have planned, and this is what I see as an impact reaching to the remotest locations and also to more and more beneficiary through this effect.
33-year-old Ahimsa Bharti, a mother of 2, joined the 20-day training course, jointly organized by Usha International Limited and Tata Power just last year. She learned stitching and the delicate art of chikankari embroidery. At the end of the 20-day period, she received an Usha sewing machine and a syllabus book. In February this year, Ahimsa opened her own Silai center right from her home. Now, almost 9 months later, she easily earns rupees 7,000 to 8,000 every month, very close to what the whole family lived on before. She trains 10 women at a time and the whole village comes to her with orders for embroidery.
मैं जब से अपना ये सिलाई का काम करती हूँ और ये उषा कंपनी में जुड़ी हूँ, टाटा पावर सर्वोदय आश्रम में सर, तो उससे हमारे बहुत फ़र्क आया है और हम अपने परिवार का भी खर्चा चलाते हैं, अपना भी, और एक मैं अपनी भतीजी भी रखी हूँ, उसका भी खर्चा चलाती हूँ। पैसे से आजकल काम होता है, तो सर पैसे जब नहीं होता है तो सर बहुत दिक्कतें होती हैं, परिवार में भी कलेश भी हो जाता है। तो अब सर अब नहीं होता सर, जब से अपने पैर पर खड़ी हूँ।
The Silai School model is designed to enable women who complete their sewing and stitching training to start earning right away through job orders, teaching or machine repair. Yet many women aim for more than financial independence. Driven by a passion to make a meaningful impact, they take further steps to spark transformation within their communities and the lives of others. Ahimsa, being one of those, had also started a summer camp for adolescent girls focusing on stitching and creative learning. So far, 13 girls have learned the basics under her guidance. These sessions are helping the next generation develop confidence, creativity, and dreams of professional careers.
मैंने अपनी बुआ को देखा सिलाई करते हुए, मुझे सिलाई करना अच्छा लगा, इसीलिए मैं भी करती हूँ सिलाई। मुझे अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना है, मैं अपना एक ब्रांड बनाऊंगी अंशिका भारती के नाम से।
पहले मतलब डर लगता था सर सिलने में कि गलत ना हो जाए। अब जब से समर कैंप में सीखा है तब से हाथ साफ हो गए, सिलने का मतलब भरोसा हो गया कि अच्छा सिलेगा ये। मुझे अब खुद पर इतना विश्वास हो गया है, मैं अपने पैरों पर खड़ी हो सकती हूँ।
Ahimsa is one of 756 women who have benefited so far from the Usha Tata Power partnership that began in 2022.
खुद की ज़रूरतें पूरी होती, किसी के सामने हाथ नहीं फैलाना पड़ता है। अगर हमें 150 की ज़रूरत होती है तो पूछना नहीं पड़ता है किसी से।
The partnership is simple yet impactful. Tata Power brings the resources and the reach. Usha brings in proven model, quality machines and a lifelong support. Together, they create change that is constant and ever evolving, even after the project file closes. From one woman who had the desire to ease her family's burden to hundreds who now stand on their own feet and carry others on their shoulders. This is what the impact of a meaningful partnership looks like. One shared vision, two trusted names, hundreds of stronger homes, thousands of brighter futures.
One of the women who visited Tata Power Noida office, sharing her key insights and the products which he has made, she shared a very important point. She told, we asked that, the chiefs and everybody was there, we asked that how we are making a difference in your life. So she told a very important thing that now my family values my opinions. We are like, what is that? So she said previously my mother-in-law was like not interested what I'm sharing as my opinion. Now they know I'm bringing happiness to the household, I'm making lot of partnership in important decision of the household. So now she come and ask me what is your advice, how you would like to see. So I see now myself valued. So this is also one very important part which we have seen. It's not only money on empowerment in the terms of how financially well you are. It's also how your say is there in the house, where a man is generally running the entire house or the elder of the family. So that was a very good insight.
Corporate social responsibility today goes far beyond compliance. It is about driving meaningful, measurable change. Companies seek initiatives that align with their values and deliver demonstrable outcomes. The Usha Silai School program embodies this approach, fully meeting CSR guidelines and backed by robust, data-driven evidence of its deep and sustained impact.
Usha International join hands with Tata Power, and we are both the organization are committed to reach more number of women. So every year from last 2-3 years we are adding 1,000 to 2,000 more women in this program, and through this joint initiative we are training rural women on sewing and stitching. The great thing, you can say the different thing which we have noticed in this association, after completing their course from Usha Silai School, some of the women started training girls also and supporting them to help them to express their creative expression, and which actually help in their performance in the day-to-day school functioning also. So somehow this is also supporting the girl child who are going to the school and started expressing their creative thoughts and creative thing, and strengthening their learning opportunities as well through sewing and stitching initiative.
Our next story of collaboration comes from the heartland of Bihar. part of the KK Birla Group, Magad Sugar and Energy Limited has been an intrinsic part of India's sugar industry since 1932. Operating sugar complexes at 3 locations in Bihar, Magad Sugar has joined hands with Usha International Limited, launching a 25-day training program for 25 women from villages surrounding the sugar mills. These women were trained in sewing, stitching and basic tailoring skills with a mission to create sustainable livelihood.
We collaborated with the Usha International, and this Silai school is the project of that Usha International. We chose because the team we interacted, they are skilled in this job. The aim was that the girls and the women in the society will be trained in sewing. First thing. Second thing, they will be doing all these jobs after the training in the local area, from their homes or from their villages. In this program, these women are being trained so that they can train others also. So one is the livelihood, and second is they can train other girls also in future, so that a large scale of women they are captured, and they can be empowered to earn, they can be empowered to develop, and this will be done in sustainable manner because they will be trained with the skilled people.
Each trainee is provided with a startup kit comprising syllabus books, sewing machine manuals, training registers and other material. At the end of the training, they received a co-branded certificate from Usha and Magad Sugar, a badge of confidence and a gateway to independence. But the journey doesn't stop here. In fact, this is where the journey truly begins. Each woman will go on to set up her own Silai school, becoming not just a tailor but a teacher and an entrepreneur.
लगन से मेहनत करूंगी, उसके बाद खुद सिलूंगी कपड़े और महिलाओं को भी सिखाऊंगी और 2 पैसा कमाऊंगी।
जो सीखे हैं सिलाई के तरफ से अपने गांव के औरतों को भी सिखाएंगे और अपना कुछ काम बढ़ाएंगे, कुछ पैसा कमा कर दिखाएंगे।
थोड़ा बहुत हम करते थे अपने घर पे सिलाई, जो नहीं सीखे थे वो सीखे। शर्ट, पैंट, ब्लाउज, गाउन, बैग सब बनाने के लिए सीखे। 15 दिन ट्रेनिंग किए हैं।
हम यही सोच रहे हैं कि हम में बहुत ज़्यादा बदलाव आ जाए, ताकि हम भी कुछ अच्छा आदमी बन जाएं, जिससे हम पैसा तो कमा सकें। अच्छा सीख लेंगे तो हम भी अपने गांव में स्कूल खोलेंगे और लोगों को सिखाएंगे। ऑर्डर मिलेगा तो ऑर्डर का भी काम करेंगे।
One Silai school touches many lives, from school uniforms to household items. These women begin serving the very communities they come from. These spaces become safe havens where women can discuss, learn and grow, turning their homes into centers of productivity and inspiration. And what starts as few days of training sessions becomes a lifetime of opportunity.
A very good response that we have got. Out of 100 villages, we shortlisted 25 ladies as the master trainer. So they got trained in the last year. So as a part of the training program, we have supported them to build their own, institution in the rural belt. And they also have started training to their, rural community and the women nearby.
This program is more than CSR. It is a strategic investment in people and communities. When a woman gains a skill, she doesn't just earn, she uplifts her family, inspires her community and becomes a leader of change. the Silai School embodies the very essence of meaningful CSR, creating goodwill, strengthening community resilience, and delivering structured, project-based impact that lasts. From Lucknow's vibrant lanes and Bihar's villages, the story of empowerment spreads to other parts of India. After the break, we take you to West Bengal's industrial heartland, Durgapur, where Neo Metallics Limited and Usha International Limited are creating opportunities for women at the grassroots level. West Bengal is one of the largest mineral producers in India, accounting for about 1/5 of the country's total mineral production. One of the leading plants in West Bengal for pig iron belongs to Neo Metallics, which has been operating in Durgapur in the West Bardhaman district since 2004. Known for delivering quality pig iron for over a decade, Neo Metallics is now extending its commitment beyond industry into community building. Neo Metallics and Usha International Limited have joined hands to empower women in Durgapur and surrounding villages. The vision is to create a model of sustainable, skill-based community development where women gain the capability, confidence and support to lead their households and contribute meaningfully to the local economy. As part of the collaboration, 75 women have received 50 days of intensive training. After the training, they are setting up hyper-local micro-enterprises offering tailoring services in their communities and neighboring villages. This isn't just training, it's transformation. Women who once had limited economic opportunities now have the tools, confidence and support to earn a sustainable livelihood. Beyond financial independence, they've grown as individuals, learning resilience, problem solving and life skills that empower them to navigate challenges and embrace new possibilities.
घर में हाउसवाइफ बन के रह रही थी मैं। जब सिलाई सीखी उसको तो बहुत जो उनका साथ मेरा परिचय हुआ, बहुत सबका साथ मेरा बात हुआ, सबका साथ बात उत करके मेरा बहुत मैं प्राउड फील करती हूँ। और मतलब बहुत और भी एक तो मेरा हस्बैंड नहीं रहता है, उसकी वजह से तो मैं कुछ बाहर में बहुत कुछ जान पाया और यहाँ आके भी और भी कुछ जाना कि रास्ते के बारे में, कहाँ से कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ से क्या करना है, किसका साथ कैसे बात करना है, ये सब सीख पाया।
बहुत सारे चेंज आए मेरे में। मैं जैसे एक अपने आप में एक ओवर स्मार्टनेस आया है कि मैं बाहर जा सकती हूँ, लोगों से मिल सकती हूँ, स्मार्टली आंसर दे सकती हूँ लोगों को। पहले जैसे हिचकिचाहट होता था, डर लगता था कि कुछ बोल नहीं पाती थी, लेकिन अब मुझे कोई डर नहीं, मैं सबको कॉन्फिडेंट बोल सकती हूँ। और मैं बच्चों को ट्यूशन भी पढ़ाती हूँ। मेरा एक एम है कि मैं अपना एक शॉप खोलूँ और जैसे एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ, और भी बहुत सारी हाउसवाइफ है जो घर से निकलने से डरती है, हिचकिचाती है, तो मैं उनको प्रेरित करूँ कि नहीं, आप लोग भी आप आगे बढ़िए, मेरे शॉप में आइए, मेरे साथ काम करिए, और वो भी ताकि कुछ अर्न कर सके जैसे मैं अर्न कर रही हूँ।
The strength of this partnership lies in a shared vision. Neo Metallics' focus on resilience and sustainable community growth aligns perfectly with Usha's mission of empowering women through skill building and entrepreneurship. Through the Usha Silai School, Neo Metallics is able to drive its CSR commitments forward with a proven, impactful model that transforms households and communities.
No, the thought process was very clear. It was to upgrade the skills of women. Most of these women are from remote areas and from very deprived belongings, and we wanted to upgrade their livelihood to make them a better to give them a better life.
These stories show that when CSR grows from shared values and genuine trust, its impact becomes transformative. Initiatives like these not only create sustainable livelihoods but also shape women into leaders within their families and communities.